Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world, and learning AI has never been more accessible. If you've ever wondered how to learn AI online, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. Before diving into the how, let's talk about the why. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of industries like healthcare, finance, marketing, and even education. Whether you want to advance your career, build cutting-edge applications, or just stay ahead of the curve, AI is the skill you need to master. The first step to learning AI is to define your goals. Are you a beginner who wants to understand AI basics, or are you looking to build AI models and dive deep into machine learning? Knowing your goals will help you choose the right resources and save time. To learn AI, start with the basics. Begin with learning Python, the most popular programming language for AI. Then, explore foundational concepts like algorithms, data structures, and statistics. Don't skip the math. Linear algebra, calculus, and probability are essential to understanding how AI works under the hood. Next, enroll in online courses to get structured learning. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer beginner-friendly and advanced AI courses. Some top recommendations are Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course on Coursera and Deep Learning Specialization by Deep Learning AI. Many of these platforms offer certificates upon completion, which can add value to your resume. Learning AI isn't just about theory. Practice is key. Start with simple projects like chatbots, sentiment analysis, or image recognition. Tools like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch are beginner-friendly and widely used in the industry. Finally, join AI communities like Kaggle, Stack Overflow, or Reddit's r/machine learning. Engage with other learners, participate in competitions, and stay updated on the latest AI advancements. AI is constantly evolving, so staying current is crucial. And that's how you can start learning AI online. Remember, AI is a journey and consistency is key. Start small, build projects, and stay curious. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to embark on their AI journey. Let's shape the future together.